What is going on? It's your boy Luke Man coming back your way yet with another very informative, educative, and valuable content on how you can ensure that each time you put a video on YouTube, your video ranks high. All right. Remember where we stopped in the last video? So we're talking about what you can actually do to make sure that your video ranked high, and we talked about how you can set up your page, and of course, we talked about getting a thumbnail and as well as getting a URL for your channel. So today I'm going to be talking about like what you really need to do in terms of keywording your video. All right, we're going to be talking about the how you can do your description and what you have to do as far as SEO is concerned. You're going to see a lot of videos out there that actually say they teach you about SEO, but as far as YouTube is concerned, the SEO method on YouTube, it's a little different, and I'll show you from the video that I'm working on. Actually, this video right here is one of those videos that we're going to be using, but here's what happened. This is one of our videos right here, okay? I want to give this video that we're about to use, I'm going to give this video this title, Video SEO, how to rank video #1 on YouTube very fast. And this will be the first part of it, because there's another part of it that you guys have to watch and just make sure that you apply everything that you find in it. How do I come about my title? Of course, you have to think about it. You cannot just throw a video on there and hope it's going to rank. You have to start from the title. Remember what I told you about how you can put keywords, the correct and relevant keywords on your YouTube page. But besides that, now let's go over to how do I come about my title for my keywords. Here's what happened, or rather for my videos. Here's what we'll do. Let's go to youtube.com. Okay. So the way you want to make sure you select your keyword, or rather your title, is you have to think about what video are you trying to rank for. What video are you, what topic are you discussing, right? In this case, we are discussing how to rank, your video on YouTube. And of course, what I will do is this, how to rank videos, all right, or videos on YouTube. By the way, this has 70 search per month. I usually go for 70 and between 50 and above to choose my keywords, but I will tell you guys how I get all this data, like how you can actually have your data show like this, so that helps you to know what kind of keywords to use. But right now, let's focus on getting the title right. So I'm going to put how to rank video. See, how to rank video on YouTube. You have 1,300 searches per month. That's key. Here's what I'll do first, okay? How to rank video on YouTube shows me 1,300 search per month. I'm going to pull my notes, and I will add that to, here's what I'll do, guys. See, I already have my keywords. I already started, typing out my keywords, but since I have another keyword that I never thought of before. It says how to rank how to rank videos on YouTube. I'm going to add that right here to my keywords. How to rank videos on YouTube. And also just always make sure that you type all this out in lowercase, because I don't really see a lot of people searching things using uppercase, right? So I'll say how to rank videos on YouTube. Because, that's already being searched, you see that data right there. It shows you that it's 1,300 search every month on that. So when I say how to rank videos on YouTube, here's what I'll do. I don't choose this very much because it doesn't really have that much search volume, but I'll choose this one. When I choose this, what I do is I look at the first three, not this one, because this is just an advertisement, right? So I'll look at the first three videos and see this guy right here is ranking #1, and it's also ranking #3. That means the dude knows what he's doing, right? And this guy is ranking #2 and also ranking number, I think about 6 or 5 over here. Here's what I'll do. I usually will click. To start with, let me show you guys one thing. This is one of the tricks that I use to select my keywords and of course my tags. Look at this thing right here. It's called vidIQ. If you go to vidIQ.com, you can always register. It's free to use. Just use the basic one. You don't have to pay for that. You can register using vidiq.com. Once it's enabled, just go to vidiq.com, vidiq.com, and just follow like how to register. Once you do that, I think you just have to use your email address. Once it's registered, it would give you all this content right here, all this data right there. I can tell like what's a monthly search for this term that I'm looking for is 12,000 a month. All right, and the highest view is about 1 point some million. So here's what I want to show you guys. So the search volume for what we're looking for is number 4. The higher the search volume, the better. All right, but it's not doing badly. It's number 4, and also the competition is 18. The higher the search volume, the better, but the lower the competition, the better also. If you don't have any competition, that's not a good thing, but you want to have some kind of competition, because that means people are looking for that a particular title, or rather video that you're about to post on there. So look at the search volume over here. It says 4. The higher the search volume, the better. The lower the competition, the better. All right, so just take a look at that. So now I will show you guys one thing. I'll click on this very first video right here. I'll click on this one. And when I click on that one, what I'm looking for is this. This guy, I want you guys to be mindful of some, very, very key data right here. This is a guy that is ranking number 1 for this keyword, and you guys should see what is doing. Over here, this guy has 485,000 views, and I'm not really worried about that. I'm worried about the duration of his video. The duration of his video is about 10 minutes, all right, about 11 minutes. What does that tell you? Short videos in this case does not work. You have to have a longer video, all right? Video of about 10 minutes and above. I will make mine right about the same amount of time, or even a little bit longer that is on, because that's this part of the reasons why it's really, ranking. And also his engagement rate is very good. Now check this out though. His word count is what I want to show you guys. His word count is 186. This word count, and remember, we're getting all this data using vidiq, vidiq. Once you subscribe, or rather activate your vidiq, you can also get all this data. All right, so this right here will show you all this data. Number 1, I'm not worried about his Twitter followership in this case, but you can see all of that here. 69,000 Twitter followership. He has 17,000, Facebook followers. So the guy is really doing pretty well. And this is all his backlink. But look at this though. His vidiq SEO score is 96.3. And this majorly comes from when you click on that, it tells you where all that comes from. Click on that. So his tag volume, his tag count, his keywords is 5/5. His triple keywords it's 5/5. His performance is 50/50. How do you get to that level? Look at it. His word count is 374 words. This word count actually comes from his description. When you click on show more, all this thing right here counts towards what allows his video to rank pretty well. In my own case, I'm not going to start this way, because I will have my watch link right here first, then all this, because that allows people to be able to re-click on your video, and that counts towards the watch, the view number. So like I was saying, his word count is 374. Okay, and check this out. Let's go back to what is it ranking for? What are the tags that is ranking for? Okay, these are the tags that this guy is ranking for. In this case, these tags will represent the same thing as your keywords. And what will you do? I want to look at the number 1 that is ranking for, and also I'll look up to like the number 1 to 20 that is ranking for. In this case, this guy is ranking for all these keywords. What will I do? I'm going to copy all these keywords, and I'm going to add them to my keywords. Okay, Those are the keywords it's ranking for. I mean, what else are you looking for? I mean, those are the same keywords you want to rank for. It's like doing Google's advertisement. Of course, you look for high keywords to rank for. So this guy, who is number 1 on here, is ranking for all these keywords, and those are the keywords that you want to rank for as well. Now let's go back to the guy who is number 2. So, and also is channel tags may help you if you're into all of this. Remember, like I would discuss how you keyword your tag, I mean your channel, before this video, before this one. I told you how you can put those words in quotation marks and also put them on your channel. So these are the channel keywords that is ranking for. If your niche is actually in this guy's niche, these are the key tags you want to have as well, and probably add some more to it. Okay, and I will also go back to the number 2 guy in this case, which is this one. I'll click on him and I'll come over here. I'll see what
here are the most important factors for
what is it doing right. Okay, it's only 63.4 SEO score. Remember, the last guy was about 94%. His word count is 31. But what actually makes him rank in this case is not his word count. Rather, his engagement is incredible, it says. And I will show you guys one of the ways you can increase your engagement. One of the ways you can do that is when you post your video, make sure you watch your video on your own channel. Go look for it, rather. Search for your own video. Watch your video all the way through. That counts towards your engagement. And you can, put a thumb up for yourself. That counts toward your engagement as well. The word count on this guy is 158. Remember, the last guy was about, I think, about 200 and some. So that gives you an idea that you write your own description. Like this guys have here, you want to shoot for somewhere between 200 and above. And also, let's look at the keyword it's ranking for. All these other keywords are not really doing it for him, but his ranking number 2 is rank YouTube videos. Is that a part of our keywords? Rank YouTube videos, not there. So what do? We add that to it. We add that to our keywords. All right. Remember, I think your keywords, you can only have about 500 or 100 keywords. I mean characters. But I'll let you guys know once we get to that level. But here, I want to put that right there, and also is ranking for this as well as number 17, rank videos. You also have to add that too, because it's not okay. It's already part of our keywords. All right, guys. So that's how you select your keywords for your videos, and I will be coming back with another video on how you can actually do off-page. This is all called on-page SEO for your videos. And how do you do off-page SEO? I'm going to show you guys that in the next video. Go ahead and implement this right now and watch your videos rank high. Coming back your way again. Have a good one.